Now, as you can see, there is 20 seconds left right here. I have the video paused right here. There was 20 seconds left. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and scroll through the names. There's Blast, Young Gunna, Shot Killer, So I Love You. I'm gonna go ahead and spectate myself with first person. Now watch. See, 20 seconds left, but the plug is gonna get pulled. 12, right there. However, I was running, so I didn't leave. However, the game is over. They dropped host, but they said that since they were winning by 2 kills, it doesn't matter anyway. There's the names and the kill feed. There's the time left. Radar on, hard hit.